Got meat and vegetables at home? A luxury restaurant chef taught me this. In a bowl, I'll add 400 grams of sliced meat, 1 egg white, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Next, I'll add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and mix well. In a pan, I'll add 2 tablespoons of oil, then the meat, and fry it until golden. And before I forget, let me know what city you're watching from so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Grace Anderson from Chicago. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Now I remove the meat from the pan and we move to the next step. It's a full meal and incredibly tasty. In the same pan, I add a bit of oil, 1 chopped onion, half a red bell pepper, half a yellow bell pepper, and half a green bell pepper, all sliced. Also, half a cabbage chopped, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and mix everything well. Now I add 50 grams of broccoli and mix. Tell me if you have a noodle recipe you make every weekend. I'd love to hear it. Cover and let it cook for about 2 minutes. Then I add the meat back to the pan and stir everything together. In a pot of boiling water, 100 grams of pasta, I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt and let it cook. Once the pasta are ready, I'll transfer them into the other pan with the other ingredients. Mix everything well. In a 1/4 cup of water, dissolve 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Pour this into the pan. Stir well and cook for about 2 more minutes. This is my favorite pasta recipe. The meat and vegetables as toppings make it really special.